Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of the Valiant unboxing slash unpacking. I did prep 3 packs in a matter of uploading. I'm going to do like 10-minute segments. Ignore my son in the background, he doesn't understand what no means. He's trying to upset me and trying to irritate me and do whatever he can to get out of bed. I'm just ignoring him. First one from this pack is a repeat. Second pack in, I'm already getting a repeat. I'm not too happy about that. 107, Eternal Warrior. Number 97, Archer and Armstrong, August number 1st. So what I am guessing is going to happen with these, since 101 is Archer and Armstrong, number 5, is they're just going to go through it series by series rather than in chronological order. Number 14, Magnus the Robot Fighter, issue 13. Number 2, Magnus the Robot Fighter, issue 1. Number 19, Magnus the Robot Fighter, issue 18. Number 15, Magnus the Robot Fighter, issue 14. Sorry, that's 15. 36, Solar Man of Adam, issue 13. Number 100, Archer and Armstrong, number 4. Next pack is going to start with, let me get these things organized.
Dad, go to sleep, and why are all the lights on up here?
Number 12, Magnus the Robot Fighter, issue 11. Harbinger, number 3. This is card 47. Card 58, Harbinger, number 14. '59, '58, and 59 in the same pack, so apparently these are just randomly inserted. Hold on a second, let me get these organized. Shouldn't take too long. Alright. Number 89, Shadow Man, number 7. There is apparently a video game on Dreamcast. That's Shadow Man. I've yet to play it, but I will soon. 69, XO Man of War number 10. 118, Bloodshot number 2. And this actually is a checklist of 61 to 120, and this is card 120. Next pack starts with by the way, when you guys see me looking through, flipping all the cards in the right direction. They're just literally randomly packed in here. So first one will be card 63, XO Man of War number 4. Card 36, which is a repeat of Solar Man 13. Card 59, which is Harbinger number 15. That's a repeat. 91, which is Shadow Man number 9. 66, which is XO Man number 7. And 11 and 12, Magnus the Robot Fighter. Issue 10 and 11. And then Eternal Warrior number 8, which is card 112. Let me get this organized real quick. And let's get to opening some more packs. Next pack will be 104. Archer and Armstrong number 8. 74. Rye number 0. By the way, something interesting about this card. This is almost an exact shadow of a Punisher cover. That is 74, which will be right here. 61, XO Man of War, number 2. 26, Solar Man of the Atom, number 3. 24, Solar Man of the Atom, number 1. 2, which is Magnus Robot Fighter number 1. That's another repeat. 46, Harbinger number 2. And this is really upsetting when it happens in cards. Another issue, another 46, which is Harbinger number 2 in the same exact pack that I just got one in. Do one more pack, then we'll move. Then I'll upload the vids. And right off the bat, it's another repeat. Rise 0. Card 83, Shadow Man number 1. Card 22, Magnus the Robot Fighter 21. Another repeat, Rye number 5. Card 79. Harbinger number 13, card 57. That is not a repeat. 84, Shadow Man number 2. 50, Harbinger number 6. And 73, XL Man Award number 14. I will open a couple more packs when I'm done.